This tutorial shows you how to pause distracting apps so you can concentrate without interruptions. First, open the Settings app on your device. After that, tap on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. From there, tap on Focus. At this point, under your distracting apps, select the ones you'd like to pause, like social media or games. In the next step, tap on Select More Apps if you want to add others not already listed. Following this, once you've chosen your apps, tap on Turn On Now if you want focus mode to start immediately. Once done, alternatively, tap on Set a Schedule if you'd rather have it turn on automatically at specific times. From here, choose your start and end times along with which days you want the schedule active. At this stage, tap Set to confirm your schedule. Keep in mind, while focus mode is active, selected apps are paused and their notifications are silenced, though you can still access them briefly if truly needed. Finally, tap Turn Off Now anytime you want to end focus mode early, even if a schedule is still running. And that's it. If this guide helped you use focus mode in digital well-being, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.